Richard Murphy, and I'm here to talk about two things. The first is to celebrate the fact that I've had a haircut after suffering no haircut since last October. The longest hair I've had since 1979 has finally hit the floor of the barber's shop, and I feel a lot better for it. I hope the videos look slightly better as well as a result. Second, and much more important, is this fact that I've got a new ebook out. The ebook is called Money for Nothing and My Tweets for Free. Some of you will of course note the inspiration, but what's important about the book is that first of all it's available for free. You may download it and there is no charge, and the link is below this video. Second, the reason why it's free is because I want as many people as possible to read it. And third, the reason why I want people to read it is because this book brings together a whole series of Twitter threads and a couple of blogs that I've written over the last few months about some of the most important questions in economics that I know of. Like, why does the government create the money that we use but not own up to that fact? What does that mean? What does quantitative easing do? How does it have impact upon our economy, and what are the consequences? Could that fund the Green New Deal, and how? What else might fund that Green New Deal, which is so vital, and what is the role of savings in that equation? Do we need tax rises? And other questions like, why is Boris Johnson taking on the nurses when that's so unnecessary? These questions and others are what I ask about in the book, because I believe that this fact that we're all subject to economics but know relatively little about it is massively impeding political debate in the UK. And I don't like that. I want people to know what I think economics is all about. That's why I moved into education a few years ago. That's why I make these videos. That's why I blog. And so for the first time ever, I've pulled together this series of my writings into something, well, which is literally an ebook. I'm incredibly grateful to the designer, David Mullins, for putting it together, to Jacqueline Murphy, my partner in Tax Research LLP, for literally reading all through the things and trying to eliminate my almost inevitable typing mistakes. Those who know my work know that somehow the two go together, and making sure that my introductions to each chapter made sense. But finally, I'm just grateful to the people who've read these tweets over time. One of them, chapter 6 in the book, which is about the national debt paranoia that seems to pervade the UK, has reached 1.75 million people on Twitter and has been interacted with 134,000 times when I looked this morning. Now that's big. So the intention is that that audience should grow still further by having these put together as a book. If you're a teacher, if you are a lecturer, if you're a student, if you're somebody who wants to know about economics, if you're just concerned about critical questions like, why do we have to suffer this national debt paranoia when there appears to be ample money available for whatever the government wants to do and nothing for the things it does not want to do, then this book is for you. Please download it, read it, share it, give it away to whoever you like, because there's no cost to doing so. It's a PDF. You can read it on your phone. We've made sure that it's possible to do that. You can read it on your iPad. Again, we've checked it for that. And you can read it on your computer as well, where the font might look a little big as a result, but it's still fine to read. And I prefer big than small. I mean, perhaps that's just an indication of my age, but bigger fonts are better for me. So there it is. Have a look at it. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in what I've been saying in this video, please subscribe. There is a button below the viewing screen. If you're interested in what I have to say on Twitter, I'm at Richard J. Murphy on that medium. If you want to look at my blog, that's taxresearch.org.uk. And we have a Facebook page as well, Richard J. Murphy. So one of those things will get you more information on what this video series is about, and I hope I'll see you again soon.